All right. Well, you had an eventful flight just there. How do you feel about it?
Well, it was really a pilot error. It was entirely my fault. I reversed the elevator control without actually realizing it when I was doing maintenance last night. So the plane was flying backwards and I didn't realize it.
Okay, that could be a slight control error. Oh, before we go ahead, can you tell me the name of your team and introduce the team members, please?
Well, I am Pete O'Neill. Oh, sorry, the team name. This is Team 5, but this is Team 3, but we called ourselves Team 5. And a little interesting story behind that, but we don't really have time for that. But it's Cameron. We have also Lynn, which is the girl we had earlier. I'm not sure if you had a picture of her. Two team members who are not here is Henry Wang and also Sandra Duncan. Okay.
So, how did your performance on this run compare with your predictions in your previous runs?
Well, the plane got finished kind of late in the game, so I knew it wasn't going to control beautifully, but I didn't really expect it to do quite as poorly as it did. Fortunately, all of the important systems seem to be okay, and if luck is on my side, I'll get another chance to run it later today.
So, apart from the problem with the elevators, what do you think was the most effective part of your system? Or will be in the flights to come?
If I was to say anything, it'd probably be our propulsion system. We wrangled with it quite a bit. This is actually the fourth motor to be mounted on this plane, and we finally got one that's working all right. But I've bent the prop in crashes several times and had to rebend it manually, which somewhat cuts into its efficiency.
Move it out a bit.
So you guys have had a lot of new experiences in Unified this year. You worked as a team, you designed, built, and flew your aircraft, and you kept up a tough academic pace for quite a long period. Which of these experiences do you think will be most valuable in the future for you and your teammates?
You go first.
It's a pretty tough question. Unified is a lot like a toolbox. It's divided into a lot of subcomponents, and each of them teaches you important skills that are useful in different parts of the industry. Personally, this was the team building exercise, and I mean, a lot of the new aerospace initiatives are looking for people capable of working on a system with others, because nobody designs an entire aerospace system in the industry these days. I don't know. Aside from that, I get a lot out of the computers and programming segment. I'd never learned a whole language from start to finish before, so probably my favorite. Pico?
Any thoughts?
I would say knowing that sometimes you just have to give up a few things, like not only in just like recreational and personal activities, but like it probably is cost effective to give up a problem or two on a problem set to study a little bit more for a test, or give up a few things on the problem set for the report or for the project. And I kind of learned that also late in the game, but I could say that would be useful. Prioritize what you can do in the work, and sometimes you just can't get everything done, so just do what's most important.
So you were doing trade studies on where your efforts should go.
Yes.
Well, hopefully you'll get another shot, and I wish you luck.
Thank you.
What are you going to do next?
I'm going to take him to lunch to help him out. He's done a lot of work on the team, and I want to give back a little bit.
Well, good job, you guys. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.